Hello?
Is the work done, Subbarao?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am trying to complete this work, sir, but this is not possible in given time, sir. I am not so efficient.
Shut up and do the work now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am trying.
Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show some of the tricks which will be useful in completing your daily tasks efficiently, and there are even some of the tricks which will be useful in improving your privacy as well. So I've divided this video into mainly three segments. So one will be tricks for phones, and other will be laptops, and finally I'll show some of the tricks for TV as well. So don't skip the video, and without any further ado, let's start. The first trick that we are going to talk about is Google Maps tracking. First, going to your profile and select timeline, then it will automatically show all the route that you have taken in previous days and wherever you have roamed around. You can even see your trips that you have done, and it can even give you some information about how much distance you have walked or traveled around. The next trick is for Gboard users. So the first one is select the backspace and drag it to the left so that it will select and delete it, how much you want to delete, and then press and hold the dot full stop button to easily access the most frequent symbols. For different currencies, press and hold on the dollar button, dollar key. uh, Take your finger from the shift key and select any of the letter to instantly get a temporary capital letter. To hover between the text, you can drag the space bar. Okay, Google, read my screen.
Got it.
This trick is used when your both hands are busy but you still want to read the context that is there on the screen.
This is a sample note for the test purpose. Please subscribe.
This trick is used to speed up your smartphone a little bit by reducing the animation scale of your smartphone. First, about phone go to about phone and search for build number, and then tap 7 times on it. Then you will become a developer. Then search for developer settings and scroll down till you find window animation scale. It will be default 1x. Put those in 0.5x so that you'll eventually see the difference. Just play around with it so that you can tweak some of your performance settings by it. The next feature is about guest user or guest profile. Just scroll down to the notification bar and select on the profile, then create guest user. It will take couple of minutes or couple of seconds, depends on your performance of your phone, and then it will create a completely new user profile. This will help you a lot when you are gonna give your phone to someone, but you don't want him to access your data or something that's on your phone. This is just like creating a new phone but on your old device, and you can switch back later by doing the same process again. This is an app that is available on the Play Store for free. This is called Fing app. In this app, you can check all the devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi. You can even disconnect any device that you don't want to connect to your Wi-Fi. You can check the speed of your Wi-Fi as well. This is an overall all-rounder app which is available for free, in which you can almost get every detail about your Wi-Fi and networks. And there is also a paid version for this, which gives you access to some exclusive features which can be useful for your privacy as well. Okay, coming to the trips of laptops, the first laptop trick and my personal favorite, this Chrome's remote desktop extension. Just search remote desktop and you will get the Chrome's extension. You just add it to your laptop and the uses of this extension is you can completely control your laptop using your mobile phone only, and this even works without connecting to the same Wi-Fi. Setup of this extension is fairly quick and easy. You just have to log into your Chrome account, Google account, and set up a pin of this extension. Coming to the mobile's connection, there is a specific app for this, remote desktop. You just have to download and log into the same account that you have set up in your laptop, and that's it. Type the pin that you have created on your laptop, then it's connected to your laptop, so you can control it from your mobile only. This will be helpful when you are not carrying your laptop with you. Just leave it on in your house, and wherever you want you can access your laptop just from your phone. And the best part is you can even control your mobile in your laptop as well. Now the next laptop trick is dynamic lock. This uses your mobile to lock your laptop. As soon as your mobile is disconnected to your laptop via Bluetooth, or you have taken your phone and left your laptop somewhere, it will automatically lock your laptop. Go to settings and accounts, then you will see an option of dynamic locking. Then it will detect your phone and connect it with your laptop. Then, just for your reference, I'm turning the Bluetooth off in my mobile, which implies as you have gone somewhere and your phone is no longer connected to your laptop. Then as soon as laptop detects, it will automatically lock your laptop so that others can't access it. Let's talk about some of the keyboard shortcuts as well. The first one is Windows plus dot button, which will enable you to access the emojis, and then Windows plus X opens a power user menu, and Windows plus V gives you the clipboard history and even some of the screenshots that you have taken previously. Windows plus H gives you voice input for text writing, and Windows plus G will give you default screen recorder as well. And there are some extra shortcuts as well, which will help you in completing the tasks easily. I'll pop them on the screen for a few seconds. Most of the smart TVs doesn't get a web browser like Chrome, so there are some of the third-party web browsers that you can download from Play Store. So one of the best is GeoPages. This is a web browser. This app can be directly downloaded from Play Store as well in your TV. There are also other web browsers like TV Bro, etc. But I felt that GeoPages is working smoothly than others. So this is the video, guys. So if you like this video, please anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe it as well, because I've tried something new in this video as compared to the previous ones. And yeah, that's it. And please let me know in the comment section how many tricks that you already know before watching this video.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.